Hi everybody, Larry here from MarineMax in Jacksonville. Today we're going to go over this 2026 250 SDX from Sea Ray. Great new layout on this boat, starting with a nice 300 horsepower Mercury Verado V8 with fly-by-wire controls, auto trim feature on the engine, and of course power steering. This boat's got a really nice sun lounger in the back, complete with a pull-out freshwater shower and a remote control for the stereo right here, so you don't have to go up to the front of the boat. As you enter into the cockpit, you can see all the space that we've got on this boat. It's got a really nice bimini top attached to this sports tower. It gives you tons of shade. And a really unique feature is this step-down head compartment, which has cushions that convert it into a berth. If you want to get in there, take a nap, get out of the sun for a little bit. Up at the front, we've got some really nice comfortable seating, cup holders everywhere, a place for a nice bow table. And of course, this Sea Ray is powered with a Fusion premium stereo system, speakers everywhere, subwoofer, amplifier. Great boat for entertainment on water sports. Give us a call at 904-545-5310 and let's take a test ride on this 250 SDX.